and welcome to the Holler Broadcasting Studio. Right here is where we go live. We get people to sit down in these chairs and we just let them tell their stories. First off, let's go over here and check out what's going on over here at the table. We got lights, controls all these lights, you know, turn it on, boom. Look at that. Then we just change them to whatever color we want. You know, telling a sad story, you might want some blue colors. You know, we got our headphones on the side so we can do some audio testing. We got a remote for the people sitting down, so if they got a PowerPoint clicker right here for them. Look at that. Well, obviously we have the big TV so they can watch themselves. And over here we have the webcam. It's a Razer Coyote. And then over here we have our mixer, our audio. Simple setup. Watch this. Boom. Setup's done. Videos on the person sitting here. Audio, you know, adjustable. Then they can adjust their levels accordingly. And that's not even the best part. I got more for you. Come on over here. And we also have a stream deck with a mount built by Alex, another one of the Holler Engineers. The person has to turn on the computer and they just have to press a button. They can get the Holler Broadcasting Studio working. You can change the light settings. You can do it off the stream deck. Buy one now. You don't have to buy one. Carpet, got a fireplace, it comes on. And in the winter, it actually gives off heat. And you know what? We even have curtains. They look real nice. Got the Holler letters kind of going this way. We can spray paint these yellow. Maybe in the future, maybe that's be something we'll do. This space can be whatever you want. If you want to dress up in a robe and talk about scary stories in the winter, you can. If you want to have a professional meeting and talk to someone in Hawaii, you can do that. You can do whatever you want with the Holler Broadcasting Studio. And that's it for showing off the Holler Broadcasting Studio, or HBS. And so we'll holler at you later.